Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What if saving money is the exact reason you're still broke? Sounds wrong? But stay with me. This might change everything. Most people follow the same advice. And it sounds smart. But if it worked, wouldn't most people be rich? Be honest. Has saving made you richer? Saving money protects you. But it doesn't build wealth. If your money isn't growing, it's losing value every day. Example 1. Person A saves everything. No investing, no risk. After 5 years, they still have money, but it buys less. Example 2. Person B makes good money, but spends more, saves a bit, invests nothing. Looks successful, but stuck. Example 3. Person C wants to invest, but waits. I'll start later. So they wait, and wait, and never start. Example 4. Person D starts small. $50, $100, feels pointless at first, but over time, it compounds. Mini story. Imagine saving $10,000 and leaving it. 10 years later, it's worth less. Now imagine investing. Same effort, different result. Solution. Stop thinking like a saver. Make your money work. Start small. Start now. Waiting costs more. Recap. Saving isn't bad, but it won't make you rich. If money sits, you stay stuck. If this changed your thinking, subscribe for real strategies. Are you saving or growing?